you want to lose weight, you start following diet, you start doing exercises, but something happens, it messes up your schedule and you're just not able to stay consistent. How many times has this happened to you? Right? Maybe you're going good, you're doing dieting, you lose few kgs, 1 to 3 to 4 kgs, but your target was 10 to 12 kgs. You lose weight, you lose 3 to 4 kgs, but you never seem to reach that 13-14 kgs that you want to lose weight, right? And you wonder how much longer is it going to take, because I am not able to follow the perfect diet for the whole year or for whole 7 to 8 months, right? But that is the problem. You need to get out of that all or nothing mentality. Hi, this is Sai. I'm women's weight loss and mindset coach, and I help busy women with slow metabolism and uncontrollable cravings and messed up mindset improve their mindset, follow flexible diet, fix their relationship with food, and help them to lose weight permanently. And this is the series You Will Never Be Able to Lose Weight Until, where I explain all the mandatory things that you need to do if you want permanent and effortless weight loss transformation. And today's topic is let go of all or nothing mentality. See, what do I mean when I say all or nothing mentality? See, people, when they generally follow diet, of course, first of all, everyone thinks that if they want to lose weight, they have to follow strict diets and do rigorous exercises. That is the biggest myth out there. Second thing, whatever diet you have chosen, whatever the path that you have chosen to lose weight, you think that you have to follow it in a perfect manner every single day for the whole journey, and that is never ever possible. It is not possible for you, it is not possible for me, it is not possible for that perfect gym guy, perfect sexy guy, or whatever celebrity or influencer you see online. It is not possible for anyone to follow perfect weight loss routine every single day. But what majority of the people do is they start following some diet, but something happens. Maybe weekend comes and you go out with your friends and you eat all the junk, you eat all the desserts and all, and then it messes up your progress. And then now you start to think that, oh, I've messed up with my diet. And then you again, instead of getting back on track, you let it sabotage your progress. You let go of the diet and you think that, oh, this is done, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, right? And same goes with workout. If you miss, you had a lot of work in office, or maybe you're tired, whatever the reason is, maybe you are out of town, you miss workout for 3-4 days, and then you think that this has sabotaged my progress, and you again stop going to workout for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, or maybe for a month, right? So these 2-3 days of binge eating, or these 2-3 days of missing the workouts turn out to be a month or two, or maybe few months, and suddenly in future you wake up and you realize that, oh, I have wasted so much of my time, why did I do that? That's why I'm covering this topic, that how to let go of that all or nothing mentality, so that you will not sabotage your weight loss progress and you will keep on being consistent. I'm going to explain how to do that. Instead of perfectionism, you just need to do the minimum smallest things every single day, and only that is going to give you the results, only that is going to give you the permanent result. Let's get started. Now, let me explain what is the problem with all or nothing mentality, right? You're either doing it all, you ate good food today, you are doing exercises, or even if you just miss eating healthy food today, you messed up with your diet, that makes you think that I have failed. That causes a lot of guilt, and you miss the workout as well in the evening. How many times has it happened to you? If it has, let me know in the comments. What else have you missed? Maybe workouts, maybe diet, because you made one mistake. And why does this happen? It's because you constantly expect yourself to be so perfect. You expect your diet to be perfect, you expect your routine to be perfect, you expect to have motivation every single day. That's why whenever it doesn't happen in a perfect way, you criticize yourself, you feel that guilt, you feel that shame inside, and that's why you miss out on all other actions that you are going to take for your weight loss. This guilt, this shame is also causing a lot of emotional eating, because you're constant, instead of accepting whatever that is going on. See, your life is never going to be a straight line. There will always be some ups and downs. There will, your health, many times your health will take a second priority. But you need to understand one thing, that the same thing happens with every single one out there, including myself. Sometimes you have a lot of work in office, you are not, absolutely not able to give yourself the time. Maybe you're stressed, maybe you genuinely need that chocolate pastry because your boss is messing up with your head. And or maybe whatever it is, maybe you have really big problems in your personal life, whatever that is going on, of course your health is going to take a second priority. Whatever, maybe you have some career goals and you're doing some extra work, you absolutely don't have time. Whatever the reason is, your life is never going to be a straight line. You will never be able to follow a perfect weight loss routine, may it be diet or may it be exercises. If anything, if you say that my life is going great, nothing is out of ordinary, I do have time, I do have energy, but I'm not doing it, I just don't get that motivation. So here it is, motivation is lacking, right? Again, you need to understand that is also completely normal. People judge themselves, people criticize themselves for not having motivation every single day. My friend, you will never have the motivation every single day. Even if that guy in gym, guy or girl that looks perfect, looks healthy, looks sexiest, look, by looking at them you feel that they must not miss a single day of gym, right? But they also do mess up, they also sometimes mess up with their meals, they also sometimes miss their workouts. But whenever they miss it, whenever they mess up with their diet, they are, from the next day they are able to get back on track, because they are not criticizing themselves in their head. You understand that? First thing is to stop criticizing yourself for not following perfectionism. That's how you let go of all or nothing mentality. Second thing, very important point that you need to do is, you need to understand perfectionism does not give you result, because that is never possible. What gives you result is consistent efforts. Now there is difference between perfectionism and consistent efforts. When I say consistent efforts, I don't mean that you follow a perfect diet and perfect workout routine. What I mean by that is you do take however small action, whatever possible action every single day. For example, you don't have time today to do exercises, right? Because you're late, you had a lot of work and you're late, and you could not go to gym. You don't have 1 hour or 1.5 hour to go to gym and do exercises, right? So what you will do is, you will just find out 5 or 15 minutes of your time. I'm sure you will have that, at least 5 minutes or 2 minutes, anyone has that, right? You will find minimal possible time, and you will do simple movement, one simple movement. See, perfectionism mindset says that it's useless thing, right? Or if anything, go for a walk for 10 minutes, right? And perfectionism says that it is useless thing, it is not going to burn any calories, nothing. So why not just lie down and scroll on phone, right? But you need to understand one thing, that when I say smallest action, if you want to get rid of that guilt, and most importantly, how to beat this all or nothing mentality is, you need to form habit, so that that habit, that activity becomes effortless, just like brushing your teeth every single morning. You have a habit of doing that, that's why it is effortless, you don't need motivation for that, right? So what you need to do is, you need to take smallest action every single day. It depends on, of course, scenarios. For example, if you're going out to eat with your friends, so instead of having pizza, you can, normal veg pizza, you can add protein to it, you can add you can have chicken pizza. If you're not craving pizza, you choose better food options, you choose some chicken curry and roti, or chicken curry and rice. If you absolutely are not fond of rice or roti, you just want to eat outside, the best way to eat is eat chicken starters, mutton starters, chicken kebab, mutton kebab, or just eat main course. Don't eat any carbs. Whatever that you feel like eating that day, right? You don't need to compromise, but you can balance the diet with protein, right? Of course, for that you need to know what is good, how to balance the diet, and if you want to know, if you want to learn how to be consistent, how to manage in every situation, you can join my Shape in Weight Loss program anytime. I'll put the link in the description. You can also book a free consultation call to know how my program works. I'll also put the link for that. So what I'm saying is, when you're taking the smallest action, when you're doing whatever that is possible, for example, you really want to eat dessert today. You really want to eat that sugary cake or sugary pastry or ice cream. So what you will do is, instead of going outside and eating that, you bring it home. You first eat your protein meal, you first eat your healthy meal, and then have it as a dessert. So it will have lesser impact on your blood glucose level, and it will not make you as much fat as it did if you only ate that. In this way, instead of chasing the perfectionism, you choose to do whatever you can that particular day, every single day. And my friend, you need to just keep doing that. That will get rid of that guilt, that get rid of that shame, and it will give you, only this thing is going to give you result. Perfectionism is not going to give you permanent transformation. Maybe temporary, maybe you'll lose few kgs, but you will never be able to reach your ultimate goal, because what it does is, it is literally delaying your progress. You keep on starting over. Instead of being consistent, you start over, you follow perfectionism, something happens, you let go again, you need to start over. What it does is, of course, it wastes your time, it sabotages your progress, it gives you the opposite of progress, and it makes you lose confidence in your own self. You lose faith in your own self that yes, I can do it, I can achieve the weight loss results, I can achieve my goal. It makes you lose faith in yourself. That is the worst thing. That's why many people have literally let go of their dreams of achieving a perfectly healthy and sexy body, because they're stuck in this all or nothing mentality. My friend, you just need to be consistent. You need to be taking action every single day, and it will get easier, because consistency is the only superpower you have, not perfectionism. The fittest, the best people out there, all the successful people out there, they just know how to be consistent. They don't aim to be perfect. Of course, they have the aim to be perfect every single day, but they also understand that it is not going to be perfect day every single day. So they just try to be consistent, and this consistency gives them the result. No matter the field, no matter the work, no matter the goal, you achieve success only when you focus on progress and consistency, and do whatever you can every single day. It will literally open thousands of doors which you have never even thought before of achieving your goals. I hope this video helps.